Hello guys, and welcome back to North Face Wanderer. Yep, out again, and this time we are back, or I am back in the lakes. Where are we? Well, we're back on Great Fell, and we're back where we did the Seathwaite Fell camp. Seathwaite Fell being up there, that large fell where I'm pointing to now. And what we're going to do this time is, if you remember on that video, if you watched it, if not, I'll put a link up in the video up there, is I kept pointing to Great Gable, Green Gable and Base Brown. So today what I thought I'd do is come out and do a wild camp, go in bag Great Gable, Green Gable and Base Brown. Base Brown being this large feature up there, that's the start of it. And yeah, just have a wild camp out in the lakes on my own, no one else, and just have a chill. If you look in the far distance, you'll see waterfalls, so that's the route I'll be taking up, and then up along the skyline, up onto Base Brown, over the top, Green Gable, Great Gable, and then I'll have a look up the top once I'm up there for somewhere to camp. I haven't got a plan, so loosely that's what I'll be doing today. So come along, see what I get up to, and I hope you enjoy this one. Cheers guys, bye bye. So before moving off, I checked my map to make sure that I was going in the right direction and I knew where I was, and then I managed to get my kit on, sorted myself out, and then made my way up into the hills. Looking forward to the adventure that was to come. Here I am now, looking up to Sour Milk Gill. That is the direction I would be heading in. So we're just at the bottom of a Sour Milk Gill, which is the river that's running down, and as you can see the waterfalls coming down just in the middle. So it comes all the way down. You just see a gentleman walking up now. That's the route I'm going to take up on the left hand side, and there's some people coming down, so it's quite steep, so it's going to be quite a task going up there. So we're going to go up to the top, across, up over a large peak, up onto the high rise over there to get us up through to where we're going. So I've just taken off my top, it's just starting to spit, so I've put my rucksack liner on. I mean, it's not too bad down here, but it's just I don't mind getting my t-shirt wet, but let's get up there, let's get it sorted and get this first bit out of the way, and then straight up.
So as I previously mentioned, I was going up to summit Great Gable via Green Gable and Base Brown. I decided to go up through Sour Milk Gill and then summit over the top and follow the path around the bottom of Base Brown. As you can see, the path leading up to the top of Sour Milk Gill is very steep, and good footwear is recommended. The stones that provide the pathway up are very slippery, so a good grippy boot would be recommended. Plenty of water was actually coming down the waterfall, but we had hardly had any rainfall in the past week or so. Therefore, imagine what this must have looked like when the rains come in the winter. All this snow and ice must be a spectacular view. So about 3/4 of the way up past the fell, I came to this spectacular waterfall, which I took advantage of and stopped and took photographs. I then pushed up and over the top, where I filled up my water bottle and continued on my route.
Woo! Yeah, the sweatband's out. Hang on. Sweatband's out. I am sweating, it's so humid. I need to keep an eye on the weather. It's that humidity weather when thunderstorms, but none have been forecast for the day. So top of the Sour Milk Gill now. So I've got that out of the way. Whew, sweating. So I'll let you know where we are now. I'll just turn you around. Okay, there you got Grey Knot. Up there, Brandreth, and up there where we're going is Base Brown. So yeah, I mean, some good pictures here if you wanted to pitch, but obviously on the other side of that, Green Gable and then Great Gable. So that's where we're going to be going. But yeah, spectacular sight, especially grey knots, some craggy old stuff there. And you know, if you wanted to go up there, up that way and up, yeah, some nice scree up there as well. So I've had a drink, let's get on. Woo, sweaty.
So this view is Gill Pass, which leads down to Sour Milk Gill. I'm now at the junction of Base Brown and Green Gable. I turn left and I head up to the top of Base Brown.
Oh, so here we are, Base Brown, just touched the cairn, 640 metres, so that's the first one done. Okay, so if I orientate you to the ground, I've just come up this way, I'm going to go back now. You can see the path going up the hill, top of Green Gable, and then that big lump on the back of the Green Gable is Great Gable. Brandreth up on the right there. So I'm just going to catch my breath, have a drink, and start my way up. That weather's cleared, which is fantastic. Look at the sights, 360. Ooh. God, I'm sweating like a pig outside a butcher's. I need to get fitter. Woo. Let's get going. Braithwaite, just starting to rain. There we go, that's what we've come here for. Green Gable, Great Gable, not far. Let's go. Green Gable, Green Gable, there we go, at the top. And behind you, there, Great Gable. So that's what we're aiming to go to. There's the fuse. Rain's coming in a little bit. Ooh, hard work. So Great Gable's next. Down there, Windy Gap. Doesn't seem so windy today. So onwards and upwards, let's go. Let's get this done. Whew. Great Gable. Woo! Time to get down. I'm starving. I need to get changed out of these wet clothes. Great Gable, guys.
So now I'm at the top of Great Gable and I'm sheltering out of the wind. And basically, because I've lost the sound, what's happening is I'm just talking to the camera and saying that I've used up all my water, and the only water that I have left is what I have in my water bottle. So I need to make a plan to whether go down to Beck Head tarn or to go to the location I was going to go to previously mentioned. So I decide to go to Windy Gap and then make a decision down there.
Right guys, that's me all fed. That's me all fed and watered. Hopefully you can hear me, because I forgot the windsock for this GoPro. I had noodles, German sausage and sweet and sour sauce. I must be missing a really good sunset. Perks of being in a valley, I suppose. You can see just over Great Gable, windy gap there. Looks like the sun's going down, and we also, on the rocks, crags up there, you can just see the sun. So, never mind. Might see a nice sunrise, if the weather's nice tomorrow. So, no one else has been around for about 2-3 hours. So I've got the place to myself, me and Mr. Duck, the only duck on the tarn. So if anything happens, I'll bring you back guys, but now I'm just gonna have a quick drink, listen to the radio, eat a bit of chocolate, and then probably get me head down. What time is it? 2 secs. 9:15, so that's not bad. Yeah, listen to the radio for a bit, I expect, and then get my head down. So like I said, if anything happens, I'll bring you back. If not, I'll see you in the morning. Night guys.
Put up with changes. Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look, she's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
Morning guys. Well, not much happened last night. It was a good night's sleep. Time now is 5:50. I woke up about 5:15. About what time? About 10 o'clock last night. Another tent turned up with 2 guys in it. So I packed up this morning. I wasn't going to go back to sleep. Packed up nice and quietly so I didn't disturb them. And on my way down now, as you can see, bit of clag, so it was threatening to rain, so I thought pack up, get down, get to the car, make breakfast at the car. So So I'm on my way down now at the track, down to Seaway Farm. There's the river. Some waterfalls on the way I might be able to try and capture. But again, I don't know if you can hear me over the wind, because like I said, I forgot my wind sock for this GoPro. The clag's down, it's not too bad, you know, I'm not walking in it. I mean, there's a bit coming in over there, look. But it gives it that mysterious factor, doesn't it? I know where I'm going, so straight down the hill. So down to the car, sort my stuff out, have me breakfast, have a cup of tea, and then shoot off. So I'll see you when I get to the car, guys.
Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light.
Right then guys, that is the end. Back at the car, sorting my stuff out. I'm gonna get in the car and go and find myself a nice big breakfast, hopefully. So yeah, base brown, as you can see, being bathed in sunlight now. Green Gable, Great Gable, and then starlit tarn. Good day, or a good walk. Enjoyed it, hope you've enjoyed it. Got a chance to use the drone. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, then please consider subscribing. You don't have to. And if you're already a subscriber, then ping the icon bell, and that will let you know when I'm doing another video, or another video is actually loaded up. Until then, all I can say is thanks for watching, thanks for staying this far, and I'll catch you on the next one. That's me. Thanks very much. Bye bye.